cheerleading training is in full swing. Yeah! Go Jaguars! Go! Fight! Win! No, what's she doing here? Jaguars are the best team on the planet! They're going to win!
Come on, stop it right now, Megan. And anyway, the water won't give itself out.
But I was just trying to be supportive.
Just do your job, okay? And don't stop us from practicing. So, what were we saying?
There's my little sister! Say hi to my subscribers! Hi. She's a sweetheart, isn't she? Mavi is the most popular girl in school, and also she's the cheer captain. Do you want to see our signature cheer? The things we do for our favorite fans. Ta-da! Come to our game Friday night. Why does she get all the fame? I hate it.
Megan messed up again.
Uh-oh! Hold me! Brandon! Oh no! Mavi, are you okay? I think so.
Oh my God.
We're sorry, Megan. It was an accident.
Oh no! I can't believe it! Life is so cruel sometimes, but even in a coma, Mavi is still super popular. Megan came to visit her beloved sister. I miss you so much. Wow, so many likes. Wait a minute. How about a little prank? A harmless prank. No one will even notice. I'm sorry, Mavi, but you don't care anymore. On the other hand, I can change my life for the better. Uh-oh, my sister's makeup bag was in here somewhere. There you go. That's better. Makeup magic. Okay. Starting the stream. Oh, oops. Glasses. Oh, where am I? What happened to me? Oh, hello to all my favorite subscribers. Looks like I was in a coma, but now I feel way better. Get me out of the frame. Ignore me. Bye-bye, everyone. Looks like Megan is playing a dangerous game. And Mavi is going on a trip around the world. The glasses are in place. And lots of goodies, too. I hope that's enough. Megan threw a coming out of her coma party. And the guests didn't even realize it wasn't the real Mavi in front of them. Great party, as always. Uh-oh. Who else did that bring in? There's the birthday girl, and with the souvenirs. Oh no, have you come to ruin my party? I know, I'm being dishonest, but you should understand me too. Guys, here's the thing. Who's the weird lady? Look at her outfit. Is it Halloween or what? Me, Mrs. Bunny, my grandmother. There, see? Grandma, that's so cute. Yeah, she's the best. Well, let's hurry up and take some family selfies. Grandma, say cheese. Looks like someone's got a taste for it. Great! Hey, Mavi, come join us quick. No, I don't feel like it.
No.
Come on, don't be shy. You love photo shoots. Everybody say Grandma! Grandma! This party's awesome. Thanks for inviting me. Bye, girls. See you at school. Phew. I wasn't expecting this. That's it, sis. No one will see you here. Oh, you're so heavy. That's better. Get some rest, Mavi. I hope you can forgive me. All the guys around here are in love with Mavi. And Steven Wilson, the school genius, is no exception. Hi, Mavi. You look great. Old habits die hard. Mavi, you made a mistake. There's your locker. Right. I'm so silly. You never know. Oops, the key is stuck. What? Now that's not good. Today is clearly not your day. Yeah. Oh, can I use this? Okay. It didn't work. Thanks for the help. You're welcome? Ooh, this is awkward. Hey, Jason!
What do you want?
Can you hit that ball?
I can hit it. Now the ball is mine.
Yes! I can't believe it. It worked!
Mavi,
Wow.
you're amazing.
Uh-huh. See ya!
Someday she'll love me back.
A girls' night out with the popular girls has always been Megan's dream. And now that she's Mavi, she can make it happen. Wow, fantastic! Mavi, it's your turn to get a manicure. Oh, okay, whatever you say. Uh-oh, I think something went wrong. Is this some kind of joke? What? Do your laundry now. No, let me explain. And that's awesome. Look, the followers love it. I'm telling you, we set a new trend. So many likes? Wow, that's crazy. I love it. I want one just like it. And a haircut. Do my hair, Mavi. Okay. Your signature one. The usual. Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. How is that even possible? What are you doing? I'm tired of waiting. Calm down, I'm on my way. Oh, wonderful! Megan's never done her hair before, but everything happens the first time. What a mess! I look like I have an antenna! You don't! See for yourself. Don't cry, Liana. You're getting so many likes. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I'm famous! Hey! Girls, how about we do masks? Wow. Spa night! How does this thing open? We do them all the time, Mavi. Wow, it feels so good. And what's a girls' night without a heart-to-heart talk? This has been fun, but my show's about to start. And I have to go to Pilates. Ciao! Girls, thank you for coming. Bye-bye. Why don't you take your mask off? I decided to keep it on longer. It'll soak in better that way. Bye-bye. See you at practice, Mavi. Wow, Megan has never been so close to getting caught. Megan misses her sister so much. And then one day... Oh, what's with these weird clothes? I don't understand it. Granny? Whose grandmother? What? Oh, I don't like this. It must be a prank by my sister. Oh no! I'm late for school! I need to get myself ready right away. Here we go. I feel amazing. Hey, Brandon. Hi there. Have a great day. Hey. Here I am. Did you miss me?
You just went into the bathroom. Hello?
No, I didn't. How do you like my hair? Is this book interesting? Hey, Brandon. Are you going to practice today? Mavi? Now I see. So, you decided to be me? Give me back my phone. It was an accident. I can't believe you did that. You threw a party for coming out of a coma? So that's why I looked so ridiculous. Meg, you're in big trouble. Uh-oh. What an ugly manicure. I can't believe Penny agreed to this. Liana, I can't believe it. No. I can't take it anymore. Stop right there. Where do you think you're going? You pretended to be me, and you're my own sister. But I wanted to be as popular as you. I'm sorry. Even though I'm mad at you, you're still my sister. You know what? I'll help you become popular. I know how to do that. I'll do anything. I promise you'll love it. You need to find your own unique style. Are you ready for a change, sis? Oh, yeah. Don't be scared. I've done it 1,000 times. New length, new life. It's time for a makeover. Change the color. Let's add a little here and a little there. Okay, ready? You can open your eyes now. Wow! Mavi, I'm so pretty. I'm speechless. Do you like it? Yay! Now, I know this topic is painful for you. I really need all this stuff. And the web says otherwise. Ew. Don't touch my stuff. Ah! Nice try. But Mavi seems determined. How about not? Not that sweater. Please, sister, stop. And the same thing will happen to Mr. Spider. No! Mr. Spider! From now on, your new style is elegant and feminine. Wow. I look gorgeous. Of course you do. And you always have. You just need to work on your self-confidence. So, what do you think I should do? I have an idea. Wow! Come on, sis. You can do it. Right, left, switch. And the final swing to the sides. Like this? There's only one thing left to try. Great idea, sis. Good student. Give me a J. Give me an A. Give me a G. Jaguars for the win!
And our next contestants are sisters Mavi and Megan. Let's welcome them to the stage.
We've got a dance for you. Give me a J. Give me an A. Give me a G. Jaguars for the win! Go, fight, win! Woohoo! Jaguars!
And the first place goes to the Williams sisters. That was awesome.
We won, Mavi. Somebody pinch me.
And now, selfies with the winners.
Say victory! Victory!